Friends, what comes next for broadband connectivity in India? While India has pole vaulted into global leadership in the mobile broadband space, we still lag significantly behind in the fixed line broadband. India is ranked quite low at 134th in the global ranking for fixed broadband. Poor fixed line infrastructure has been a key reason for this. In countries with better developed communication infrastructure, more than 80% of the data consumption happens indoors through fixed line connectivity in homes, in offices, and other premises. Optical fiber-based fixed line broadband is the future. Fixed line broadband offers hundreds of megabits, even gigabits per second of data speeds. Jio is determined to move India to be among the top 5 in the fixed line broadband too in the coming years. Your company has already invested over 250,000 crores for creating state-of-the-art digital infrastructure to provide mobile and broadband connectivity across the country with the largest fiber footprint. We will now extend this fiber connectivity to homes, merchants, small and medium enterprises, and large enterprises simultaneously across 1,100 cities to offer the most advanced fiber-based broadband connectivity solutions. For your home, this will mean ultra-high definition entertainment on your large screen TVs, multi-party video conferencing from the comfort of your home, voice-activated virtual assistants who obey your every command, virtual reality gaming and digital shopping where you're magically transported into a digital universe of immersive experiences, smart home solutions where hundreds of devices like security cameras, home appliances, and even lights and switches can be securely controlled by their owners using a smartphone from both inside and outside the home. This will redefine 24/7 emergency help for all homes across India. For merchants and small businesses, fixed line broadband means when you combine fixed line connectivity and cloud applications with the agility and the customer obsession of a small owner-driven business, you empower them to compete on level terms with larger businesses. Jio is thus performing a task of vital national importance because the success of Indian small businesses and merchants translates directly into faster and more sustainable growth with large-scale employment for the Indian economy. Likewise, for large enterprises, fixed-line broadband will mean having the ability to compete in the global marketplaces, using the digital tools and techniques that are powering the fourth industrial revolution. We are calling this fiber-based broadband service the Jio Gigafiber. Dear share owners, let me now invite to this stage Isha, Akash, and Kiran to give a demonstration of Jio Phone and the Jio Gigafiber services.
Good afternoon. It's a privilege for us to be on the stage once again. Today, we have two updates. First, on the Jio phone, and second, on a brand new service, Jio Gigafiber. Last year, we launched the Jio phone with the mission to empower every Indian. Since then, what has inspired us most are the real life stories from our users. Today, we'd like to share a few of these. Take a look.
मुझे हमेशा से पता था कि इस दुनिया में मैं म्यूजिक बनाने आया।
मैं ये चाहता था हर फिशरमैन अपना अपना घर सेफली पहुंच जाए।
मैं अपनी बेटी को दिखाना चाहती हूँ कि अकेली औरत भी खुश रह सकती है।
मेरा मकसद है ये साबित करना कि कश्मीर आज भी जन्नत है।
जिंदगी में मैंने सब कुछ किया। जिस दिन मैंने जियो फोन खरीदा, मेरी लाइफ बदल गई।
मैंने जियो फोन लिया और
Friends, you can view many more such stories on Jio.com. You can also share your story with us so that we can share it with the world.
For the first time in India, with the Jio phone, voice became free for 50 crore feature phone users, and data became accessible and affordable. But what really set the Jio phone apart for our users was the voice command. We learned that users love talking to their phones and having the Jio phone respond to their voice commands. In fact, Jio phone users generate more than 20 crore voice commands every month, and this number continues to grow.
Clearly, voice commands are the future. Now, last year, we introduced all of Jio's applications on the Jio phone. And we made a promise that the world's most used applications will soon be available to you on the Jio phone.
Today, we're delivering on that promise. We are proud to announce to you that we're bringing you 3 of the most popular apps in the world. 1, YouTube. 2, Facebook. And 3, WhatsApp, specially built for the Jio phone. Let's take a quick look of how these will work on the Jio phone. Can we please mirror mine and Kiran's Jio phones onto the presentation screen?
Okay, let me open YouTube on the Jio phone. YouTube, chalao. Sanju teaser.
देवियों और सज्जनों, कुर्सी की पेटी बांध लीजिए, मौसम बिगड़ने वाला है।
As you can see, YouTube works just as well on the Jio phone as it does on any Android or iOS phone.
Now, the Facebook experience on the Jio phone. Open Facebook. You can view posts, pages, photos, and videos. Pretty much everything.
Akash, why don't we check in to the Birla Matoshri Hall right now on Facebook?
Yes, let's do exactly that. Done.
Wow. This Facebook experience is absolutely on par with any other iOS or Android experience. Next, Akash, let's check out the world's most favorite messaging app, WhatsApp.
Happy to Isha. Open WhatsApp. Oh, I see that Kiran has already sent me a message. Let me send you a quick reply.
Got it. Wow, that was fast and simple.
Globally, billions use WhatsApp. It works on many operating systems and now on the Jio phone as well. JioPhone users can send WhatsApps to other JioPhone users as well as to Android, iOS, and all other operating systems. On behalf of everyone at Jio, I want to thank the individual teams of Facebook, WhatsApp, and YouTube for dedicating their time and resources to bring their applications to the Jio phone.
At At Jio, we're obsessed with customer feedback and innovating based on the feedback that we receive. There were two pieces of feedback that we consistently received. First, a wish for a horizontal screen viewing experience. And second, a wish for a full keypad. Based on this, we're excited to bring to you a high-end model of the Jio phone, the Jio Phone 2. Jio Phone 2 is powered with a horizontal screen display, a full keyboard, and many more advanced features. The existing Jio Phone model and Jio Phone 2 will both be available side by side in the market. You can choose whichever model suits your needs best.
Great. Now let's move on to Jio Giga Fiber and, of course, Jio Smart Home Solutions. Let's take a look at what your home will look like when it becomes a smartphone home with Jio Giga Fiber.
First, Jio will install the Jio Giga router at your premise. This will give you an ultra-fast internet connection with gigabit per second speeds. With Jio Giga Fiber, internet का मजा ही कुछ और है. This router will also give you wall-to-wall high-speed Wi-Fi coverage. Next, we connect the second device, the Jio Giga TV set-top box, to your large screen TV. With this set-top box, you'll be able to watch 600 plus TV channels, thousands of movies, millions of songs, and every other type of content possible, at your will, at any time. You can now enjoy all your entertainment content in ultra high definition in 4K resolution. This is like having a theater in your home. And that's not all. We've enabled our powerful voice command feature on the TV as well. You can simply tell the Jio remote what you want and it will play it immediately on your TV. This is revolutionary. It changes the way India will watch TV, especially when voice command is available in multiple Indian languages. Bhasha Anek, Bharat Ek.
Now let's move to another powerful feature, TV calling. Jio was built to connect us to our loved ones. When Jio's mobility services were launched 2 years ago, video calling was one of the most loved features. Now, we're bringing to you video calling to your TV. With Jio TV calling, you can call every other TV that is powered by Jio Giga Fiber. But that's not all. You can also call a mobile or tablet connected to any network. Of course, the best experience will still be on the Jio network. Just imagine, every child in a Jio Giga Fiber home will have live access to the world's best educational content and the best teachers. Anyone with a health problem can get real-time consultations with the best doctors and receive the best medical advice right at home.
Wow. And it goes beyond that. Just add a virtual reality headset to your Giga Fiber, and you can now have full 360-degree 3D virtual reality, again in 4K resolution, right in your living room. you can instantly and digitally transport yourself into an alternative universe of your choice, whether it is real or imaginary. Now, you don't have to step outside the comfort of your home to go window shopping or to visit a tourist destination or to immerse yourself in a fantasy adventure game.
Gone are the days of Mbps. Now it will be all about Gbps. Not giga, not mega, but gigabytes per second. Akash and Kiran, I'm sure you remember the primitive internet speeds we used to get at home before Jio launched, and the complete absence of any digital services. With Jio Giga Fiber, every Indian home will become the most connected home in the world.
Last in today's presentation, but certainly not the least, let us look at Jio's revolutionary smart home solutions. With some simple accessories that Jio will provide, every appliance, every plug point, every switch in your house will become smart, which means that they can be securely monitored and controlled from anywhere and everywhere. Now, you can have smart cameras giving you 24/7 security monitoring and alerts, even when you're not at home. Live video surveillance and video doorbells ensure that you and your family are always protected.
With some more accessories that Jio will provide, you can control and monitor every aspect of your home. Temperature, lighting, electrical appliances, gas and water leakage, motion detection, opening and closing doors and windows, even remotely caring for babies and the elderly. Imagine controlling your entire home directly from the MyJio application.
At this point, I am sure you are all wondering how long it will take to set up your dream smart home. This is the best part about Jio Giga Fiber. Our engineers will come in and set up Jio Giga Fiber and all the smart home capabilities in as short as 1 hour. Jio Giga Fiber brings many more exciting features, and we don't have time today to share all of them, but I'm sure these services will delight you in true Jio style. Thank you all, and let me now invite our chairman back onto the stage.
Thank you.
Thanks, Isha, Akash, and Kiran. That was truly an impressive presentation. My dear share owners, the three most popular applications, YouTube, WhatsApp, and Facebook, will be available to all JioPhone users commercially from the 15th of August this year. Friends, Jio was born with a purpose: to transform India with the power of digital revolution. For this vision to be realized, every Indian must become a digital Indian. However, as many as 500 million Indians still use feature phones which cannot use the internet. The doors of digital life are closed to them because of the problem of affordability. Which is why last year we offered the Jio phone, India ka smartphone, for a fully refundable deposit of rupees 1500. In other words, for an effective price of zero. 25 million Indians have availed this scheme and become Jio phone users. This scheme will of course continue. Today, we are introducing another attractive offer to feature phone users. It is the Jio phone Monsoon Hangama offer. Starting July 21st, they can exchange their existing feature phone for a brand new Jio phone, just 501 rupees. We have thus reduced the effective entry cost of the Jio phone from 1500 rupees to as low as rupees 501. Also starting 15th August, our Jio phone 2 will be available at an introductory price of only rupees 2,999. Our purpose is to accelerate the digital revolution in India with extreme affordability of the Jio phone so that each and every Indian can access the internet and enjoy digital life. Further details about both these offers will soon be available on jio.com. With the added functionalities, our wider network reach across India, and strong retail presence, the goal that I have now set for our Jio team is to enable 100 million users on the Jio phone platform in the shortest possible time and set another world record. Friends, the Jio Giga Fiber creates magical experiences that are going to be available to every Indian consumer. So when will Jio Giga Fiber be available? We are currently running beta trials in tens of thousands of homes. Starting this Independence Day, August 15th, you can start registering your interest for Jio Giga Fiber through both MyJio and Jio.com. We will prioritize our Jio Giga Fiber rollout to those localities from where we receive the highest number of registrations. Jio Giga Fiber will be the largest greenfield fixed line broadband rollout anywhere in the world, with rollout happening in 1,100 cities of India simultaneously. So this 15th August, Jio welcomes you to celebrate the day of India's freedom by signing in for every Indian's digital freedom. Make sure you register your interest, and more importantly, make sure that your neighbors register so that your locality will be amongst the first to get Jio Fiber. At Jio, we are determined to take India to be among the top 5 in broadband connectivity, both for mobility as well as fiber-based wireline connectivity. We have built future-proof networks and will continue to deliver the most advanced technologies to our customers for decades to come. With Jio, we have built a digital connectivity platform with unparalleled capacity and nationwide reach. This has enabled Reliance to strategically reinvent itself as a technology platform company. Digital platforms have become the new age factories and service providers. These new hyper-growth engines of value creation are fired by the combination of digital connectivity, computing power, and software. They use data as the raw material, and artificial intelligence plays the role that electricity played in the past. The world is entering into an era of anytime value creation, everywhere value creation, and value creation by anyone who has a smart business idea. I am happy to inform you that your company has prepared itself for this exciting future of non-linear and exponential growth. Dear share owners, Reliance Retail has been one of the catalysts for the growth of modern organized retail in India. It is the largest